In today's Dev Web Quickie, we'll look to build a responsive and accessible CS-only wavy message. We'll be working with an empty HTML and CSS file. Sorry, no JavaScript today. First we'll add our message. I'm going to use loading. I'll wrap it with an h1 tag and give it a class of wave. Next, as we'll need the individual letters, we'll break the message up and wrap them in spans. Now in the CSS file, we'll first set up the font. I'm importing the Bungie font from Google's font library. Then we'll add a few custom properties which we'll use for our wave effect. We'll set the body to use flex, while centering all the things. Now let's set up the spans, ensuring they use inline block, so we can animate them correctly. Speaking of which, we'll add the animation properties now too, along with the animation itself. We're finally able to use the new individual transform properties, which is a big win for animations. And to make all this work, we'll add a custom property to each of our spans that our animation will use to stagger the individual letters. Finally, let's add the necessary ARIA tags to make the message accessible for screen readers. And there you have it, a responsible and accessible wavy message. Why not play with the CSS properties and see what you can come up with? If you like this and want to see more web dev quickies, please consider subscribing.